Imagine a future where robots don't just follow commands, they learn on their own, faster than humans ever could. Sound wild, right? But that's exactly what Tesla's latest innovation, the Optimus Gen 3 robot, is doing, teaching itself over 100 new tasks a day just by watching YouTube videos. Think about that. Elon Musk calls this the most important product Tesla's ever built, and for good reason. If Optimus can learn from videos, just like humans do, that opens the door to learning anything, and quickly, Musk explains. From household chores to factory work, this humanoid bot is flipping the script on what robots can do. We're talking about sweeping floors, making meals, handling machines, and yes, even dancing. AI has reached a point where humanoid robots are learning faster than we ever could. While we take days or weeks to master a new skill, Optimus only needs a few minutes. This thing is redefining what it means to learn fast and launching us into a tech era we only dreamed about. Let's break down what makes Optimus Gen 3 such a game changer and why Musk believes this will dwarf every product Tesla's ever released. Welcome to where we explore the tech shaping our future. Tesla recently dropped a demo showing Optimus executing a variety of tasks, cooking, vacuuming, sorting parts, and more, all controlled by a single neural network. That's right, one brain doing it all. Voice command? Check. Text command? Absolutely. But here's where it gets real. Optimus understands and executes these tasks from the simplest cues. What blew us away? It's now using both hands, not just one. That might sound basic, but it's a massive leap in coordination and control. Using two arms simultaneously requires real-time planning, balance, and seamless motor control. It's the difference between picking up a spoon and cooking an entire meal. And speaking of learning, Tesla's taken a revolutionary approach. Instead of programming it line by line or using motion capture suits, they simply let Optimus watch. Just like you'd learn from a YouTube tutorial, Optimus watches videos and figures out the actions on its own. Want to make a steak? Feed it a chef video. It'll simulate the task billions of times, refining every move until it's basically perfect. Then, try it in real life. You can even teach it yourself. Show it how to iron a shirt once, and it starts learning. Correct it, and it gets better, just like a human trainee. This is the same video-based AI system Tesla uses for full self-driving. Instead of hard-coding every detail, they feed the system real-world footage and let the AI learn organically. And now they've applied that logic to a robot that can do more than just drive. It can live, work, and adapt. Now here's where things really take off. Optimus isn't learning in isolation. Tesla's created a shared learning system. When one bot learns a task, like making an omelet, that data uploads and every other Optimus gets it instantly. It's like giving the entire network a new skill at once. Imagine 1,000 robots each learning one task per day. That's 1,000 tasks added to the system daily. That kind of exponential growth is something humans can't match. And it's a key reason why Musk believes the demand for humanoid robots will be off the charts. Sure, most of these 100 daily tasks aren't complex recipes. They're simple, repeatable actions like wiping a table or sorting objects. But they're the foundation of home and factory labor. The Optimus runs on a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, giving it around 8 hours of continuous work, depending on the job. Heavy lifting or dancing drains it faster, while lighter tasks are more energy efficient. Even extreme environments can affect its performance, just like with any battery system. But while the learning is impressive, there's also concern. Some worry. What if it learns from dangerous content, like how to use weapons or cause harm? Tesla's aware of that. They're working on smart filtering systems to block violent, illegal, or harmful content. The plan? Only allow learning from verified, safe sources, whether that's Tesla's internal videos or vetted YouTube creators. Let's talk business. Optimus isn't just a cool robot, it's an economic revolution. Picture a restaurant that once needed 20 staff, now it runs with 10 people and 5 robots. Optimus handles the repetitive jobs, never takes breaks, and never burns out. It can even upsell meals based on a customer's preferences. The ROI? Huge. In just a few years, a single Optimus could pay for itself. In manufacturing, Optimus boosts productivity with zero downtime, perfect precision, and flexible movement. It's not tied to a fixed station like traditional automation. It walks, adjusts, adapts, all while integrating with Tesla's AI systems to forecast demand, suggest changes, and optimize efficiency. Retail? Optimus could restock shelves, assist customers, and track inventory in real time. Agriculture? Think of planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops with surgical accuracy without the need for massive human labor. Even startups could rent out Optimus units by the hour, creating new income streams for small businesses. Imagine a robot on demand for your house or office. Of course, it's not ready just yet. Tesla expects a public release around Q3 of 2026. And while only a limited batch will roll out at first, likely to employees or influencers, it's a major step forward. Tesla's engineers are still teaching Optimus to handle chaotic environments and sensitive tasks requiring human collaboration. One thing viewers have noticed? Some TeslaBot demos are sped up. We'll need to see real-time performance without edits to truly judge its capability. But progress is steady. From clunky movement to smooth actions, Optimus is evolving fast. There's still work ahead, perfecting the AI, boosting hardware durability, and ensuring it can handle long shifts in varied settings. That extra year of development is crucial. What about price? Elon once suggested $20,000, but realistically we're looking at $40,000 to $50,000 at launch. The cheaper price won't be possible until Tesla scales up to mass production, around 1 million units annually, likely by 2029 or 2030. But even at a higher price, it's a game changer. And when Tesla starts deploying Optimus to the public, it's going to create massive buzz, just like it did with the first electric vehicles. So what do you think? If Optimus can learn from watching videos, what tasks do you think it should prioritize first? Could it eventually outlearn humans at certain jobs? Drop your thoughts below. And if you're as excited about the future of AI and robotics as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation.